Hi everyone, I am Soumik Baidya. Today in this video we are going to discuss about what is programming language, how a program runs in a computer, as well as we will discuss about what is compiler, what is source code, object code, high level language, low level language. At last of the video we will also discuss about a syntax of C++ program and we will analyze the syntax of C++ program. After that we will start the C++ programming. This is the index of the video. Let's dive into the discussion part. Shortly, I am describing the background story of programming. If you can't understand now some part of this video, then no need to worry about this. I want you just know the fundamental of programming. Your task is to listen my words carefully. That will be okay. Today our discussion topic is this 5 point. Before starting this, we need to listen a story. One thing we should keep in mind that our purpose is to make computer work for us. Supposingly, we need the subtraction value of two numbers. So, we have to pass the proper and valid instruction to computer. Then it can return the subtraction value. But a problem occurs here. The computer is a machine. So it does not know any English or any other language. It knows only 1 0. Your question will be, what is 1 0? When the current flows into the circuit of computer, it is known as 1. And when the opposite occurs, that means the current does not flow into the circuit, it is 0. I hope you understand that. Those students who don't know binary, I am telling briefly. Binary is the method of mathematical representation of 0, 1. We can convert any statement or any expression into binary. For example, if we want to convert 2 into binary, that is 1, 0. If we take 3, then it will be 1, 1. Like this, we can convert every statement into binary. So if we write programming code with binary, then machine can read and execute the code properly. There is no problem. But it is difficult for us to write code and it will take lot of time to write a small program. So it's not a practical solution. It is very lengthy as well as difficult. So we will not follow this solution. Here comes a new term to help us, that is high level language. High level language is human readable. It is possible for us to write code. The example of high level language is C++. We will learn this language, but here the problem is it is not readable by the computer or machine. So we need a translator between these two languages, between the high level language and machine level language. Here the translator is nothing but a compiler. Compiler's job is to convert high level language into machine level language. Here this the source code is the high level language and it is the binary form and it is the code of C++. When we get once machine code, then there will be no more problem. We can send it to the machine and it will be executed. Through this process, a high level language reads to machine. That's how a program runs. Now we will try to briefly review the whole matter once more. Here the source code is our C++ program. Then it goes to compiler as input. After that, the compiler produces the machine code as output. Then machine code goes to the machine and machine executes it and return a output. This is the whole process. I hope you understand that. If not, then you can play this again. Now we will see some proper definition. Number 1, what is programming language? A programming language is a set of commands, instructions and other syntax used to create a software program. Number 2, what is compiler? A compiler is a special program that translates a programming language's source code into machine code, bytecode or another programming language. What is source code and object code? The source code is the program which is human readable. Here the source code is C++ program and the object code is machine level language or low level language which is formed by 10. Now we will see the basic syntax or format of C++ code. Here is the basic syntax of C++ program. First hash include iostream, then using namespace std semicolon int main, then the starting curly braces, then the ending curly braces. Here we will write our code. The first line hash include iostream, it is the header file. Then using namespace std, it is the scope declaration statement. std is the abbreviation form of standard. Int main is the main function. From here our code will start executing. Here we will write our code, then return 0, then ending curly braces. The format is similar to every C++ program, almost every C++ program. When we write a program, we will follow this format. The iostream is the header file which contains all the functions of program like cin, cout. It's a header file in C++ which is responsible for input and output. Then what is hash include? It is the preprocessor to include this header file in the program. If we want to add iostream as a header file, we should add hash include before the iostream. Then we can able to add. Otherwise it will not be added. Then using namespace std. It is for declaration of scope. They are used to organize code into logical group and to prevent name collisions when the code includes multiple libraries. In the program, we will use it is not required in this time. You will know this by time. If you don't understand this using namespace, what is namespace, what is iostream, don't take pressure. You will know this by time. The int main is the main function where the code starts executing. This particular function returns some value. Then return 0 expresses that the program has successfully ended. In the int main function, it is not required. Okay, everything we have discussed. We have done the fundamental discussion of programming. I am ending this video here. Next day we will discuss about the program. We will practice the program in machine. You can install VS Code and MinGW compiler. Hope this video is informative. Thank you so much for watching.